Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to deploy a website on IIS server and how to make an NLB network load balancer server. So first thing you need is you need a virtual machine, and you need two virtual machines actually. Both of virtual machines will be nodes of the load balancer. So in load balancer, the network traffic will be distributed in different nodes. So these two nodes will be our machines, and in these nodes will be our the data will be our sorry traffic will be uh, distributed. So this is my virtual machine. Okay, I have created two virtual machines with Windows Server 2019. This is the virtual machine. Now after creating the virtual machine, what do you have to do in these? I will show you the steps. First, go here in local server, go here, change the IP address to static IP address. These are the steps. First, you have to change the static IP address, then change the name of the machine, then turn off the firewall. These three steps first you have to do in both of the virtual machines, both of the server machines. I will tell server, not I will use the name server, not virtual machines from now.
So this is my IP address.
Both of the machines should have same default gateway, because we need both of the machine to communicate with each other on the same Ethernet gateway. Look, my iPad is assigned. I will click on this public firewall. After these three steps, you need to install web server role, and then you need to install NLB from PowerShell. These are the five steps you need to do first before doing anything. Let's say it's a prerequisite for our network load balancer. Okay, firewall is turned off. Again, reload this. Firewall is turned off. Now I will change the machine name. SV02. SC means server in my definition. Okay. It will ask us to restart. I will not restart the machine now because we have two more things to do here. Okay, restart later. Let's go to dashboard. We will add web server role here. Okay, next. Web server is basically to host our websites here. This is the most basic definition of a web server. Where in this step, from here begin installation type server selection. You have to click just next. Here in the server roles, you have to select web server IIS. Add features. Look this one. Next, we don't need to add anything here. It will already add the select features. Here you can read about the web server. Web servers are computers that let you share information over the internet or through intranets and extranets. The web server role includes Internet Information Services 10.0. It enhances security and diagnostic and administration. So you know now that what is a web server. Just click next. We will install these. Okay, while this is getting installed, let's go to PowerShell administrator. Here we need to install, just keep an eye on the command install hyphen windows Windows, then click on tab button on your keyboard. Look, after clicking tab, it will show like this Windows feature. If it doesn't show Windows feature, something else, it will show Windows update or something. Just keep clicking on tab, you will see this Windows feature. If you don't want to use tab, just type the name Windows feature NLB Now this one is important. You need to write NLB. This is network load balancer, and we will add everything. Now again, I will click on tab. This is hyphen NLB space hyphen include. I will need to write include actually. Include. No, we don't need all sub features. We need management tools, right? Include management tools. I will paste this command in the description also. And if you want to write manually, you can write. Click enter. Okay. After clicking enter, it will start downloading. You need to do exact these five same steps in your second server. This is my server one. Okay. SVO01. Okay. This is SVO01. We need to do exact same steps in SV02. So exact same five steps should be done in your second machine also. I have already did exact these same step in my second machine. So we will move to the next steps. Next steps are creating NLB cluster in this machine. I will show you my second server SVO02. Look, this SVO02 local server. Look at this, and look, IP address is sorry, my firewall is off, and IP address is static. IIS is also installed.
The name it is not changed yet. Why? I don't know. Two. We need to give it two. Okay. Close and restart.
So this is as SV02, and I have done all the steps in SV02 already. Look, it is installed here. In SV02 it is installed. We need to restart this machine because we changed the name. Look, installed successfully.
Close. Now these are the server installed. Also installed. Close. Close this one, and we just restart the machine because our change should be applied. Name change of the computer.
Minimize this. So after doing exact same five steps in both of the machines, we will create a cluster in SV01. Okay, let it be turned on. Let's go to again 01. So our SV, so my SV01 is renamed. Look, SV01. Firewall is off. IP address is static, and IIS is installed. Now we will go to next step. After doing these five steps in both of the machines, you need to go to again S201 and start the main steps, cluster creation. The sixth step is creating a cluster. Right click, open. I will show you again. Click on tools, go to network load balancing manager. Okay, network load balancing NLB manager. Click here. Now make it full screen. In this network load balancing center, right click on this name. Currently you have zero here, nothing. Right click here, new cluster. Now give your current SV01 IP address. What is my IP address of SV01? This one. So this will be our one host which will be connected to our server. Okay, we need one minimum host, right? So for one minimum host, this will be connected to our. Let me see what is the IP address. Okay, let's connect. It is showing here. Go to next. Keep this all setting right like this only. This priority unique host identifier, I will tell you later what is it. It is like which server it should first go when the website is loaded. It should go to this one or should another one. Now here we need to give a different IP address to our cluster. Cluster will have its own IP address. So you can give any IP address. I will give it and it should be in the same range. So this is my range, right? I will give 100 here. Sorry. This is my range, right? In this range I have given the 100 IP address to my cluster. Okay, click OK here. Look, it is given. This is my cluster IP address. Cluster IP addresses are shared by every member of the cluster for load balancing. So, whatever node we add, this is my current node. This machine SV01 is my current node, and we will add one more node. So this IP address will be shared to that node as well. Let's go to next and click on multicast. I will give here website because we are going to deploy a basic IIS website. Next, look here again. कहाँ गया? You should select multicast here because the request is going to multiple servers, right? From one place, it is going to multiple nodes. Okay, so for example, imagine this is one cluster. It has two nodes, so the request will be coming to server will cluster will forward this request to multiple nodes. So whichever node is available, or whichever has more priority, it will go to that node. So that's why it is multicast. Next, finish. Look, our this is our cluster IP address. Our cluster name is website, and this is first node in our cluster. Look, it is showing pending. It should show converged. Here you will see the logs. If it is converged, it will show you. Look, now it is converged. Okay, click here again on the cluster. This is our cluster. Click on cluster, right click here, add one more host to the cluster. Okay, now we will give a IP address of our SV2 192.168.40.141 is our IP address. Because our firewall is turned off, it should show here. Okay, look, it is showing because we have same default gateway, and our firewall is off. It is showing without giving any errors. If you are getting any errors, please check your default gateway. Both should have same default gateway, and both of the machines should have turned off firewall. Let's go next. Look, it has given second priority. This is the multicast. It will automatically show because we already created multicast IP address, so it will automatically detect that. Click on finished. Here SV2 should also show converged. If it is showing converged, you have successfully created a network load balancing cluster, and it will distribute traffic between both of these servers. I will show you the website deployment. Look, it is showing converged. Okay, converged. So congratulations, you have created your cluster node balancing, and you have two nodes added into it. I will show you how to deploy, how to check the website, how to check if it is distributing the traffic or not. Okay, so after adding our both of the nodes inside our this cluster, we will check if our both of the nodes is working or not, or and our traffic is distributing between both of these servers or not. So this is our IP address of the server. Let's go to Internet Explorer. You need to use the same IP address. I will type my IP address of the cluster. Look at here. This is my IP address. 92.168.40.100. Look, it is working. So our website is deployed. Now we will do one thing. Okay, we will check if our this is working or not. Okay, I will minimize this. So I will go to File Explorer. In this, I will go to this PC. I will go to this C drive. Here you will see inet pub folder. Inet pub folder. Okay, go to this folder. You will directly see it in the C disk inet pub, and then go to www root. Our root files are in this folder. Look, here we have our image. Which image? This image. This is a image. Okay, this is not a link page. This is the image. So we will try to edit this image. So this is our SV01 machine. Okay, look, SV01. So we are editing this image inside the SV01. I will write here SV01 image edit. Okay, Control S, close. Then I will reload this website. Okay, because our SV01 has a first priority, it will show that only. Look at here, SV01 image edit. Okay, And now, what if our SV01 server goes down? Our second server should take over, and our website should be deployed from second server. So we will what we will do? We will just turn it off. We will shut down this one. Power shutdown. Okay. Look, I have shutting down my SV01. And remember, our SV01 has had an edited image, and our SV02 has an original image. Now let's go to Internet Explorer. We are inside SV02. One 192.168.40.100. Look, we are getting unedited image. Our SV01 had an edited image, and SV02 have unedited image, and our cluster is still alive. Okay, our cluster is still alive. In SV02, if we go to tools, network load balancer, okay, you can look here. Is this one is live? Look, this one is live. Okay, and so server one is not here because it is already shuttered down. It is turned off. So congratulations, you have successfully created a network load balancing balancer cluster, and you have deployed a website on an IP address. You have tried, checked. You have also checked that your load balancing is working. Your traffic is distributing, and that's it for this video. We will see you in the next video. I will be trying to make the video on Splunk. So uh, follow and subscribe the channel. Okay. Bye bye. Like, share, subscribe.